Firstly, I'd like to thank Stitch for RMG Global Innovation Challenge for the theme, which is based around women empowerment. I am glad that as a woman, especially, I relate to the importance and need to uplift the women for a better all around development. The world is evolving every day and moving towards metaverse. The automobile industry and Tesla specifically have achieved what was thought to be a dream. Where do we as a part of manufacturing sector stand when it comes to innovation, technology, training and growth? Many think that the labor intensive sectors like sworn product industry cannot revolutionize. We beg to differ. Nothing is perfect. Every entity that is willing to evolve and grow in something better will face challenges. A process not optimized is an underutilization resources, lack of transparency in the supply chain, and that leads to greater chances of error or faults because the management receives the information only after the damage is caused. Lack of standardization leads to a bottleneck that does not enable you to compare your standards to the globally practiced standards. Lack of data analytics leads to lack of analysis on each resource and process and hence eliminates the opportunity to understand the bottleneck and correct it going forward. And last but not the least, lack of training and proper incentivization stands against boosting the morale and growth opportunities for the workforce. Lack of transparency grievance addressal system leads to unaddressed issues which further lead to an increase in such incidents. These problems, as mentioned, not only possessed a challenge for the workforce but also lead to an overall bottleneck that act against the progress of the organization. With the recent awareness among brand and customers, it is a fact that an urgent requirement of the factories is to be part of the change to ensure a sustainable growth and profitability. We at Methods believe in technological innovation backed by training. We offer a wide range of software solutions across departments that can lead to paradigm shifting results. Our solutions that are based on technological upgradation, that is Pro SMB, Pro Cut, RFID, Pro Man. So these are the solutions which are basically to set standard times, for total fabric control, for real-time production management. Understanding the current market demand, we have developed ProX 4.0, which offers real-time integrated analytics and is a future-ready integrated cloud-based application that helps you move forward towards Industry 4.0. This application can be accessed from anywhere on any device, be it your phone, laptop or tablet. Data analytics on various departments and processes result into real-time understanding of bottlenecks, if any, and provides an opportunity to correct the mistakes in real time. This helps in a smooth flow and eliminates the risk of delayed orders and shipments. Through the solutions, we offer piece rate system that can enable the earnings in live and hence provide payment based on performance and not on the gender. We can also get the insight on the performance, quality, efficiency of an operator, which can be fair criteria to develop a skill matrix. Prioritizing the safety and security of the women in the workplace, the app includes a module in which the women employees can press an SOS button which will directly reach higher management. Pro Incentive, an incentive-based module by Methods, can be integrated by other applications including ProX 4.0 that enables individual bonus, group bonus, jumpstart bonus. In the app, there is a link to the videos of the best practice. This is set to provide self-learning and provide an opportunity to the employees to learn and grow in the industry. Absenteeism, especially which is uncalled for, is a big problem for the supervisor and the factory overall to deal with. ProX 4.0 includes a module where employees can mark their unavailability on the application from home, providing an opportunity to the supervisor to take necessary measures and plan in advance. We have tried using data and analytics to rope in the higher authorities in understanding the picture of the floor, which minimizes the chances of error and keeps the other employees at their best practice. A module strictly based on awareness of the female employees as per POSH Act has been installed for better addressal and awareness amongst the employees regarding women's safety. We have also provided world-class training facilities for different hierarchies of workforce, keeping their requirement and growth in mind. Hence, we at Methods Apparel Consultancy believe in building an ecosystem that is technology driven, and one that practices continuous training for better growth. Coming to the pilot execution, where we have implemented our solution, we believe that no star is too high if you dream to chase one. Through our solutions, we have achieved some groundbreaking results over the years. For example, at ZecoDD, a Bosnian company, we achieved 25% SMV reduction and 15% productivity improvements. At Equadynamics in Sri Lanka, we delivered 15% increase in production and cutting efficiency and 5% reduction in fabric wastage. At Sunknits, a Tirupur-based client, we saw 22% improvement in productivity and advanced delivery of season shipment by 15 to 20 days, hence reducing the lead time. I, Sunaina Khanna, lead the team of Methods Apparel Consultancy. I have been part of the industry for over 22 years now and have received national recognition for my contribution in the industry and have also featured in the Forbes list of top 10 women entrepreneurships. The team at Methods Apparel Consultancy consists of many young and experienced professionals who are experts in different fields. We have worked in over 20 countries and have created a positive impact in the professional and personal life of thousands of people. The solutions are set to promote equal and performance-oriented pay, leading to a big boost in morale of the employees, especially the female ones. Minimize any case of molestation or harassment among female employees as an operator, employee, have access to the higher authorities. Process optimization provides a workforce to be a part of a system that eliminates known value-added activities, in a way increasing their efficiency and productivity and pay. Self-learning through the app provides an opportunity to learn and grow, hence upskilling yourself. Training facilities brings in new ways and looks at processes to uplift the skill of the employees. We believe in the practicality of the solution and hence believe in creating a win-win scenario for the customers and the factory owners. A trained and progressive employee is an asset for the organization, along with the fact that there are wide range scope of growth and development of the employees as well. Incentives boost the morale of the employees and help them work with a greater efficiency, which again creates a win-win scenario for the organization as well as employees. Hence, in today's world, it is important for the RMG sector to be part, rather a leader in the technological shift, enable more inclusiveness to ensure a sustainable growth. Thank you.